Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Perfect SPR, and guys, this video will be in English. So guys, in this video we are going to make impossible anti-gravity illusion structure, and it's DIY. You can make it at your home too. So guys, well, that being said, let's begin with the video. First you have to take a rounder and then make a circle like this. So now you have to take your scale and an orange marker and then just simply draw a line like this. Now you have to take your rounder again. Then keep it in the between here and then darken that. Then keep your rounder on that point, so which will look like this, and then cut an arc on this side. Now keep your marker on this and then continue these steps. So like you will see that it will be very easy and you can do it very easily. Okay, so now what you have to do is to take your orange marker again and then sketch a line like this. Join two arcs like this. Then secondary you have to take this one and then join this one, and the last you have to take this and this arc and then join it simply. So your triangle should look like this. So now you have to cut this triangle. After the cutting of your triangle, you should see that the angles of your triangle will be 90 degree here, 30 degree here and 60 degree there. Guys, now you have to take in cardboard. So here you can see the length of its upper side is 50 cm, whereas the length of its breadth is 25 cm. Now what you have to do is to take a sketch pen and then create a line of 49.5 cm. Okay. So here you can see I have created a line of 49.5 cm, and parallelly you have to make the line of 10 cm. So here also I am making it. So this line you have to also make on the other side. And this type of line you have to also make in the middle. So here also I am taking 10 cm and then making the line. So guys, now you have to join these 3 points. This point to this point and then this point to this point. Okay, so now in the middle line what you have to do is to just keep the scale. So now you have to make 4 dots each after 2 cm. So as you can see I am taking 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and then last 8 to 10. So as you can see you have to make this type of dots on the 3 lines. So as you can see I am doing same on the first line. Now simply you have to join these dots line by line. So as you can see I am taking the first dot of our first line and then joining it with the middle line, and now I am taking the dot from the middle line to the last line like this. So as you can see, like this you have to join. So guys, now you have to simply cut this using a cutter. So guys, please remember that you don't have to cut from the middle line. You have to only cut it from the fourth side. We have made the middle line so that we can easily attach the lines. So guys, as you can see, I have cut it. So now the next step what you have to do is to simply keep your scale on the line and then cut it a little. Don't cut it fully guys. Just give a little cut to it. So as you can see, like this. So now what you have to do is to simply fold this like this. So I'm simply folding this. So as you can see guys, we have folded this, and with the same step we have to also cut this last 3 lines, and then I will show you. So as you can see guys, you have to just fold it like this and create a square shaped rod. So as you can see, square shape. So now you have to just stick this and create it as a rod. So as you can see guys, here we have made 2 rods. So you also have to make 2 rods. So as you can see, so now I'm going to tell you how to cut them to create their triangle. So now first you have to take the rod. Now take the triangle we have made. So now keep it 30° at the end of the rod. So let me just tell you like this. Take your black marker and then mark it like this. Okay, and then simply do it like this. Okay, so then keep it like this. Then make a point at the end of the triangle. Then keep the triangle like this and simply like this, and then make the line. Okay, so guys, now this is the first one. So now we are going to simply cut this from the cardboard rod. So as you can see guys, that we have cut it the first one. So now we have to cut one more, means 2 more like this, and then we are going to join it to create a triangle. As you can see, I have successfully created this, and you can see here I have done a mistake. So I have put in masking tape and then I have covered with a cardboard sheet, so it also looks good. So now we are on the last step, as I told you. So here you can see we are left with this much only. So what you have to do now, I am going to tell you. So now you have to take some sketch pens. So as I have 2 colors, what you have to do is to take a black sketch pen. So I am putting it here. Now take the triangle, let's keep it like this, straight, then make a line over here. Okay, so now do it like this, then make a circle over here. Now make like this, and then make a dot over here. Okay, so now keep this like this, keep it, and then you have to simply make a line like this. And now you're ready with it. Now you have to cut this. You can see I have joined that also on the top, so it looks good. And so now we have made one. So you have also made one like this. You have to make 2 of them. And now I'm going to tell you from where you have to make holes for joining the thread. So as you can see in the base, I'm talking about the base guys. In the base you have to make like here, here and here, whereas the hanging part will be like here, here, and at the back of our rod here. So now we have to attach that to it. It's finally, after a lot of hard work and time, I have finally completed this, and I have to use a lot of masking tape for covering these because they were just imbalancing this, and finally we have got a product. So it's literally easy to do. So you have to hold it like this. So as you can see, so in my camera it's not coming, so just let me show you. So as you can see guys, it's like this and it's set again. So you can see it really looks well. So now I'm going to color it, and then it will look more awesome. So if you want to close it, you can just hold it like this and put it at that side and it will close. So just let me close you. Okay, so like this, and when you will just hold it and do it like this, it will automatically just stretch all this. So just let me show you, just see, it's like strings, right? It's really tight and you can see it looks really amazing. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe our channel and stay safe, stay home.